Hello people, this is Akshika Arya and welcome to my channel. So this is my second week and today's video is going to be about 10 things you can do in quarantine. It's a bit late as compared to other people who have already talked about it, but I'm sure मेरे जो भी tricks या tips हैं they might be a little different than others, so I'm hoping for that and let's begin with it. The first tip is you can start a journal of yours. Yes, so it could be anything. It could be any current topic that's going on in the world, or it could be short stories. Even I used to write short horror stories back in my childhood. It used to be very stupid, literally stupid. Now I think of it, it used to be fun that time. So yeah, and if not anything, you could always write about yourself. What you think, what you feel, stuff like that. Your daily journals, that actually helps you a lot to just release your stress that's going on these days. सबको बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा होगा. So yeah, that's my first tip. So the second tip is that you can start an online course. Yeah, it can be about anything that you have always wanted to learn. और कभी टाइम नहीं मिला, जैसे marketing, writing, content writing, advertising, stuff like that. डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, इतनी सारी चीज़ें हैं. सो इट विल बी इंटरेस्टिंग एंड आपकी जो ऑलरेडी कोर्सेज आपने किए हैं उसके साथ एक एड ऑन मिल जाएगा. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग टू डू. आई हैव सीन ऑल ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स हू आर डूइंग दैट these days. Even I am doing content writing these days, online course. So yeah, it's fun. You can try that. The third one is something basic, but yeah, it's interesting obviously. So you can learn anything from YouTube. For girls, you can learn how to do makeups and hairstyling or nail art, stuff like this. It will be interesting, I'm sure. And guys can do the same thing for themselves in their respective fields, such as देख सकते हैं उनके फेस शेप के हिसाब से उनका हेयर स्टाइलिंग कैसा होना चाहिए. ड्रेसअप टिप्स ले सकते हैं यूट्यूब से. A lot of bloggers do that actually. So yeah, and they can also learn online computer languages. So I think yeah, they get very interested with all those things. So yeah, you can do that. Now this one is my personal favorite. So I've been learning a new language. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. It's not any online course, but you could download these language learning apps which are very interesting, and ये आपको पिक्चर्स के थ्रू एंड क्विजेस के थ्रू वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग वेज उसके थ्रू आपको बेसिक लैंग्वेज सिखाते हैं. सो या यू कैन डू दैट. देयर आर टू really good apps for that. The one I am using is Duolingo. I will mention the name in the description box, and also the next best could be Memrise. So yeah, you guys can try doing that. Who knows, it can actually create wonders for you. So yeah. The fifth tip is that you guys can give cooking a try. Yes, so ज़रूरी नहीं है कुछ एकदम स्पेशल करना है. You guys can actually go online and search for any easy recipes for starters. And आपके घर में कोई भी लेफ्ट ओवर्स और डिनर से लंच से उससे भी कुछ एक्सपेरिमेंट कर सकते हो. इवन आई हैव डन दैट एंड इट्स फन. कुछ नए सीखने को मिलता है. सो या, दैट्स अ गुड एक्चुअली टाइम राइट नाउ टू स्टार्ट समथिंग लाइक दैट. एंड या, हु नोज, you will actually get a lot of knowledge from that. Yeah. So guys, the sixth point, I'm very excited to tell you guys about this. This is tried and tested by us, my friends and I. So my best friend's birthday was last weekend, and what we did was, since quarantine is going on obviously, so we WhatsApped everyone our group and we played virtual games. Yeah. So we played stuff like Never Ever Ever and Dumb Charades, and trust me guys, it was the best. The best you could do in this time. So yeah, it was very much fun. And especially अगर आप लोग स्कूल और कॉलेज टाइम के दोस्त हो तो आप एक चीज़ स्टार्ट करते हो तो पहले ही कितने सारी मेमोरीज बाहर आती हैं. So yeah, it's very special and it's very much fun with your friends. So yeah, you guys can try that. It was everyone's efforts that actually made it amazing and interesting and super fun. So yeah, you guys can definitely try that. Birthday, no birthday, just do that on weekends with your friends. And get your snacks and drinks. I'm sure you guys will enjoy it as much as we did. Okay, the seventh one is a little different, but I hope you guys enjoy it because I do. There's this karaoke app जहाँ पे by the name you can tell that you have to sing along with the lyrics and music is provided in the background already. मुझे personally in my low phases I like to sing it out, like let your singing birds free kind of thing. So yeah, मुझे अच्छा लगता है. I'm not like a very good singer or anything, but I like singing. So yeah, you guys can give it a try. There are two apps. The one I use is Star Maker, and another one is Smule. Smule, I think that's how they pronounce it. I'm not sure, but yeah, इसके काफ़ी ads TV and internet पे भी आते हैं. So I'm sure आप लोगों ने देखा होगा. And I will also mention these two names in the description box for you. Now the 8th one is also my second favorite, you can say. Yeah. So you guys can try doing Netflix party with your friends, distant family members, or loved ones. I'm not sure if all of you know about this, but there's a feature Netflix party in Google Chrome extension, I think. So you guys can enable it, or I think download it in your Google Chrome. So yeah, that will help you sync your movies together. You guys can watch it together. And आप side में बहुत क्यूट सा chat box भी होता है. You guys can just chat about what's going on, give your comments, and if और real बनाना है, so you guys can do something like I do with my friends, is that you guys can Skype each other, and इस तरीके से it will get even more real, and you guys can see each other face to face like that virtually, and talk about it. It will be fun, and get your popcorn, snacks, and drinks of course with you. Yeah, that will be a perfect kind of movie night. So the 9th one is very important actually, especially these days. Home workouts. I know, and a lot of people will think that it's very boring to do, but trust me guys, it's very important these days, especially जब कोरोना का इतना प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है. So the most important thing for you is to boost your immunity system, and home workouts से बेस्ट कुछ हो नहीं सकता. एक्सरसाइजिंग इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू गाइस. सो या 10 to 15 मिनट्स का कार्डियो या फिर योगा जो भी आप प्रेफर करते हो वो कर सकते हो. इफ़ यू गाइस डोंट लाइक जस्ट गोइंग ऑन यूट्यूब एंड doing that back and forth all the time, so there are apps for that as well. होम वर्कआउट apps जैसे कि नाइकी है, 7M है जो मैं यूज़ करती हूँ, like 7 minutes का वर्कआउट है for each kind of exercises. So yeah, it's good, and it also tells you how many calories you have lost. So yeah, it's a good deal. And another one is I think 30 minutes workout. I'm not sure if it's free or not. I think it's paid. So yeah, you guys can decide accordingly. Yeah. And other than that, your mental health is very important. So yeah, stress लील करो यार, that's all I can say. स्ट्रेस मत ही लो. अभी फ़िलहाल इतना सब कुछ चल रहा है, तो उसके लिए स्पेशली आपको मेंटली स्ट्रॉन्ग होने की, हेल्दी होने की बहुत ज़रूरत है. सो शेयर विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली इफ एनीथिंग इज बॉदरिंग यू लाइक दैट. या एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, स्किन केयर. योर pampering your skin is very important. So have good food, have good hydrated drinks like lemonade, any fruit smoothies, milkshakes. आजकल तो सीजन में है तो अच्छा लगेगा. And yeah, do that and maintain your good diet. Yeah, that's it. And also for skincare, YouTube पे जाके आप अपने स्किन के लिए काफ़ी वीडियोस आते हैं जो ब्लॉगर्स डालते हैं. So yeah, you guys can watch it and do something like that. On a weekend, pamper your skin, pamper yourself, have a nice weekend like that. Just give time to yourself, stuff like that. I think you guys will enjoy. So this is the 10th point and the last point, which is very important again. Yes, family wise, that is give time to your family as well. This is equally important as it is to give time to your friends and loved ones. Okay, so yeah, hang out with them. What I do is I at least take time out after waking up or for the evening drinks or snacks, and just sit with them, talk to them. आपके दिन क्या चल रहा है वो उनको बताओ, उनके दिमाग क्या चल रहा है वो आप उनसे पूछो. ये सब चीज़ें कम्युनिकेशन इज़ द की बेसिकली, ऑब्वियसली. या सो ये सब चीज़ें हैं which are important family wise. And you guys can have a movie night on weekends, like when everyone's free, they just I don't know, watch something on Netflix maybe, or TV pe, like old school. It used to be the best time. So yeah, you guys can just gather around and watch anything good on TV, anything light movie obviously, because अभी वैसे इतना प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है तो मूड ऑफ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. So yeah, just watch something light, comedy, you know, maybe educational, so something good, you know, जिससे आपका मूड और अच्छा हो जाए, फैमिली में मतलब अच्छा लगे सबको एक साथ टाइम स्पेंड करके. एंड यू गाइस कैन ऑल्सो गेट टाइम टॉक टू ईच अदर लाइक दैट, यू नो, फैमिली बॉन्डिंग टाइम होता है ये. एंड या अगेन यू नो, get your popcorn, snacks and drinks and just have a good time, guys. That's all it is about, having a good time. So that was all in my 10 things you can do in quarantine, tips, hacks, whatever you want to call that. And yeah, I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you guys give it a try and enjoy it as much as I have. These all are tried and tested by me and my friends and family, so yeah, I'm sure it will help you to some extent. I hope it helps you to some extent. And I know problems har jagah hoti hai, you know, a lot of you must be dealing with a lot of anxiety issues. I do personally. It's very tough to deal with, but you guys can, you know, overcome it all eventually. So yeah, just don't lose that hope. And I hope jiska jo bhi problem chal raha hai, you know, it gets resolved. If someone is in pain, it heals. Right now we all can just pray about that. And yeah, I hope you guys liked whatever I was sharing with you, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. That's all I want to say, you know. And subscribe my channel, because I will be trying to come up with something more interesting stuff in future, which is not just related to beauty and skincare and, you know, just the girl stuff. I would try to make it as neutral, not neutral, but for both genders, unisex. So yeah, I will try to make it for all. And yeah guys, I'm not a very chatty person actually. मुझे इतना experience नहीं है obviously, because I'm new कि मुझे कैसे बात करनी चाहिए. So if anything went wrong, please don't hate me for that, don't make fun of me, please. नहीं बनाना तो बनाओ, it's okay. Yeah, so you guys can actually give your suggestions, you know, in the comment box below, or you guys can also reach me out on my social media handles, which are given in the description box, for Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. I'm very much active on Instagram, so yeah, you guys can reach me out there if you want like talk about anything, जो चीज़ें मैंने बताई उन्हीं के बारे में आपको बात करनी है. तो या यू आर मोर देन वेलकम. एंड कोई सजेशंस देने हैं तो प्लीज़ डू दैट. आई वुड रियली like that. I will be very happy that you guys shared your views. And जिन लोगों ने यहाँ तक देखा है, thank you so much for bearing with me. Yeah, so that's all for this week's video, folks, and I will see you next week, hopefully next week with something interesting or creative.